Namaskar, a very good evening to all my parents, teachers, and my dear staff. Today, on this auspicious occasion of Mother's Day, from the deep core of my heart, I wish you all a happy Mother's Day. Now, the mother is a philosopher, is a guider, is a teacher, is a mentor, is an administrator in all of us' life. Without mother, the life is incomplete. That is why we have to respect, we have to salutate mother in each and every sphere. In each and every situation, the mother is the only one who used to eradicate all your sorrows, all your difficulties, and all your hardships. In each and every conjuncture of your journey, you have to respect mother. You have to take the decisions from your mother because your mother will definitely give you the right decisions, the right path. When you don't have any friends, don't be alone, don't be isolated because your mother is only the biggest friend of a life who always taught you the life lessons, who always taught you uh, to how to live a peaceful life, to how to balance your life. All these things are being taught by your mother. In our rituals, in our epics, in Devi Bhagavad, it is written, Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu, Matrupen Sansita, Namastasya Namo Nama. That means the mother is a supreme power, is a supreme divine power. And if you have this particular Shakti in yourself, that is your Ma, the Ma Shakti, which is there in your heart, in your soul, in your body, then no one can defeat you. No one can make you defeat in any way. In each and every endeavor, you become successful if the blessings of your mother is always with you. So it's my practical experience that even though any kind of difficulties occur in your life, any kind of problems occur in your life, you always take a suggestions from your mother. Definitely, the suggestions of your mother will really prove to be very truth authentic, and you will definitely get success in your life. So always believe in your mother, always respect your mother, always salutate your mother, and in each and every difficult situation, take the suggestions from your mother. Second thing which I want to say that when everybody left, when everybody left in your life, the mother will only the person who will help you at that difficult situation. That is why there is a strong bondness. There is a selfless bond which unites the relation between the mother and son. Because the mother love is selfless. It does not have any selfish motive. The mother always loves with your pure heart, with a divine heart, with the authentic heart. And the son and the daughter have to also fulfill and shoulder the responsibilities to the mother. Because the biggest gift which your mother has given you, that she has given you the birth in this world. So you have to follow the obligations, you have to shoulder the responsibilities of your mother. And it cannot be compromised. Whatever the work, whatever the duties, whatever the responsibility you perform, it cannot be compromised because that penny of the birth, it cannot be compromised for your from your work and your obligations which you does. But it's your duty, it's your responsibility that you have to do, you have to shoulder, you have to perform certain thing for your mother. That is why today, on this auspicious occasion of Mother's Day, I wish you all that you always respect, salutate, and bestow your mother in each and every situation. And those students, yeah, those peoples who don't have any friend, please don't be isolated. Please make your mother as your friend. Practically and authentically, I tell you that mother is your best friend. She will never left you. She will never make you defeat. She will does not leave you in any way. So always take mother as your friend in each and every situation. And when you take mother as your friend and you will take the decisions from your mother, then definitely you will definitely win in each and every endeavors in which you are putting your efforts. So what I mean to say, that always respect your mother and always salutate your mother. So once again, I wish you all a happy Mother's Day, and may uh, may the blessings of your mother, may the showers of blessings of your mother will always with you, and you will be the successful person of your lives. So thank you and namaskar.